Shubun nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Sangma ulaong baka Jingeh hapo ke Jylla Manipur kalong ka ka bas ngosi bat kabamla satyaban pediang bat kum kiti ki Jingeh kimdei satyaban jia badulaong baka sarkar kadai ban le ya baro kiti ki brew ki baladon kiti halor kiti ki Jingeh haba keren skilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ke Jingeh lang jong kinhon menteri Rangba ulaong ba unsa tho Daka Shithi sa Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Manipur UN Biren Singh bat sakatnat ki kampo yang kari badru sa Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi halor kani ke Jingeh ule atho baha ubnai bala dem nakaliang jong u kumunong mi khmat ke NPP ula dep ban pha daka Shithi sa Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi ha ka dei bat kilat kilenti kumno ban le ban tem nya ke Jingeh kan at hapo ke Jylla Manipur Hagabay day pat bat ka jingpenmi jong ka niti ayo hiki Jylla kari ki badok tam hagaba ka Jylla Meghalaya kala poye ka Kyrdan ka baar kum ka Jylla ka badok tam hadin ka Bihar Konrad ulaong ba ka Jylla ka don Shibun ki Jingeh ki ba ka yekendo henry haki sansnam ki baladem ka Jylla kala sedang ban yoi ya Shibun ki Jingkela henry de ka ba pediang ya ki Jingduna an sala ban ra ya ka Jylla
The Manipur incident act is very, very disturbing. Number one, it is really something that just shouldn't have happened, and the government must take action against all these people who have done this. As I said, I repeat again that this is completely unacceptable what has happened, and strong action must be taken.
So, will you write also to the Chief Minister of Manipur?
Absolutely, to the Chief Minister as well as to the Home Ministry and to the Honorable Prime Minister also. You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party. So, just let me finish. To write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So, we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally. And we have been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.
So we also want to
take ranked as the second poorest state after Bihar, sir. So how do you react to this, sir?
Yeah, I think we have to realize, number one, that yes, there are a number of challenges that Meghalaya faces, and all the steps in the last 5 years that we have taken has been towards changing that particular aspect of things. It's not simple, it's not so easy to understand that for the last 45 years we have been really lagging behind. There have been a lot of challenges, but we have tried to change that in the last 5 years, and we have made some changes, significant changes, and even Government of India has appreciated us. But yes, overall the challenges will remain. And we have to start off by accepting the fact that we do have challenges, accepting the fact that we are lagging behind, and only by accepting it we'll be able to take things forward. And what is important is now to look forward and see how we can make a difference and change things. So definitely, whatever the factors that Niti Aayog has brought into the measurement of this index, we will look into it in detail. If you remember, we were the last in vaccination. When in 2018, when I had taken over, we were ranked 27th in vaccination. But today we are ranked number 2 in vaccination because we made it, a very, very strong effort to ensure that we started working on that aspect of things. We had a very large figure of maternal mortality rates at one point in time. But through the efforts in the last 5 years, we have brought it down by almost 45-50%. So it's a process, it's a procedure. Things do take time. It's not easy to create that momentum. We face large number of challenges, apart from obviously financial challenges. There are a lot of systematic challenges which we are trying to change. But slowly and steadily, you're seeing that that scenario is, in the process of being changed. I've mentioned this a number of times before, that today, we are, spending much more than what used to be spent many years back in terms of the budget provisions that are there. Our actual expenditures have crossed 17,000 crores, which used to be at 9,000 crores 5 years back. So these are the ways in which we'll be able to bring a change at the grassroots level. Number two, we have to also realize that all these impacts and all these actions that we take needs to be done at the levels of the village, at the rural areas. Farmers need to be helped, and that is why programs like our Focus Plus programs, different mission mode programs that we are doing, be it the apiculture, which I just had a big function today, or many other programs that we're doing. All of these programs are directly impacting the economic condition of the farmers. Now, do they yield immediate results? It's not easy. It takes time. Everything takes time. So, but are we doing the steps necessary? We are. Are we seeing a change? Yes, we are. Will we be able to jump the ranks? We will. But as I said, things take time. We have to, as I said, start off by accepting where we are, what challenges we face, and work towards improving it. But I'm sure that in the next 5 years, you will see a huge improvement in these numbers. We already are seeing the facts. I cannot show it to you. You will not be able to see it because it's a large area of work that we're doing. But if you were to see the kind of different steps being taken, you would be able to understand that the actions being taken are precisely to ensure that these concerns and these issues are addressed. And I'm very confident that in the next 5 years, things will be very different for the state of Meghalaya.